In this question, it is given that water is flowing continuously from a tap having internal diameter of 8 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter. The water velocity as it leaves the tap is 0.4 meter per second. The diameter of water stream at a distance 2 into 10 raised to minus 1 meter below the tap is close to. So under the heading cross section of a freely falling liquid, we already discussed how to solve this one, or what is the equation for it. So there we discussed that if water is coming out from a pipe, then as it is moving down, its velocity will increase. As the velocity increases, there is a decrease in area of cross section. So if the area of cross section of this part, take it as something but A1, and area of cross section over here is equal to A2. So we already derived the equation for that. If anyone is having doubt, you can just go through that video. So the equation for area was nothing but A1 V1 divided by under root of V1 square plus 2 into G into H. So basically we just find out by using kinematic equation, that is what is the velocity over here, V2. We can use that equation, V2 square is equal to V1 square plus 2 into G into H. So that's why we are writing V2 is equal to under root of V1 square plus 2GH. Then we'll use just continuity equation, A1 V1 is equal to A2 V2. So we can find out what about the value of area over here. But in this question, they're asking to find out what about the value of diameter. So we can write this is equal to, area can be written as nothing but pi r2 square is equal to nothing but A1 can be written as nothing but pi into r1 square into V1 divided by under root of V1 square plus 2 into G into H. So we can cancel this pi and this pi. Our aim is to find out the value of diameter, so we can write in terms of diameter, that is d2 square. We know that radius is diameter divided by 2, so d2 square divided by 4 is equal to nothing but d1 square divided by 4 into v1 divided by under root of v1 square plus 2 into g into h. So we can cancel this 4 and this 4 over here. So the value of d2 square can be written as nothing but d1 square into v1 divided by under root of v1 square plus 2 into g into h. So from this we can find out what about the value of d2 over here, or d2 square over here. The value of d is given as nothing but 8 into 10 raised to minus 3 square into velocity is 0.4 divided by under root of v1 square, that is 0.14 square, that is 0.16 plus 2 into g we can take it as something but 10, and h is given as something but 2 into 10 raised to minus 1, that is 0.2. So we can write the value of d2 square is equal to 64 the square of 8 and 10 raised to minus 6 into 0.4 divided by under root of, we can write this is 0.16 plus this is going to be 4. So we can write this is equal to 64 into 10 raised to minus 6 into 0.4 divided by 4.16, root of 4.16. So we can write this as equal to 64 into 10 raised to minus 6 into 0.4 divided by this, we can take it as approximately around 2.039, the root of this one. So we can write this as equal to, we can write approximately it is 64 into 10 raised to minus 6 into 0.4 by 2, approximately we can take it as 0.2, and 0.2 into 64 will get something like 12.8 into 10 raised to minus 6. So this is a value of d2 square. So the value of d2 can be written as under root of this, under root of 12.8 into 10 raised to minus 6. The root of 12.8 will get us around 3.57 into and root of 10 raised to minus 6, which we can take it as 10 raised to minus 3, or you can approximately return it as around near to 3.6 into 10 raised to minus 3.